Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I am going to be reviewing the YSL All Hours Foundation. This is a 24 hours light coverage foundation that's infused in hyaluronic acid amongst other things. So I got this in the shade DW7. Yes, that's what it looks like right there. So it says 24 hours foundation matte luminous matte. So it's a luminous matte foundation, and I'm just going to read a few points from their website. The shades come in like maybe D, W, DN. So the first letter, which is D, in my case stands for deep. So you have the first digit represents your skin tone, L means light, M medium, and D dark. Then the second digit represents skin undertone, C for cool, N for neutral, and W for warm. So for myself, I got DW7. Yes, so that's what I got. I got DW7, and I got this for £30 on Boots website. And let me see how much on YSL website. It says that it is £38. This I have used this once. I used it for YSL video on my Instagram. I'll be sure to, you guys should check it out. Check me out on Oluchi on Weibo. Yes, so that's my Instagram handle, so check it out. I did a full video using all YSL products and it was amazing. Back to this one, I'm going to use it on my face and show you guys what it looked like. When I wanted to get this, I had to come on YouTube. I don't think I saw anybody review this particular shade. I just did basically try your luck, to get this, and I got this DW7. So we're going to try it together and you will see what it looks like. So what I'm going to do now is to prep my face with the YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer, and if you want to see a review on this, let me know. I will be sure to review it. So let me bring this closer. You guys can see that I have used this up to here. So I'll just put 2 pump, and my face is prepped. So I have my SPF, moisturizer, and all that, all the good stuff on the face. So ensure you always prep your face properly before you apply your makeup, foundation, or whatever, because that's the key to the flawless coverage. Before applying your foundation, you always ensure you shake it so that all the products get mixed together, because sometimes it tends to separate. You have the oil, or you just separate basically. So you want to mix it thoroughly so you get the proper consistency. I'm just going to apply 2 pumps, and this is a bit runny, so that's what it looks like. I will be going in with a brush first to apply this on my face. I believe I need a mirror. Okay, I am going to try to spread this out on my, so that I don't lose it. This is what it looks like. Let me proceed to covering my entire face, and then generally I like my foundation being maybe just a tad bit darker than what my face looks like. Like sometimes my face tends to be lighter than the rest of my body, but yes, in this case I think this, what do you guys think? I feel this is just a little bit lighter than my skin tone, or not. Am I wrong? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So the 2 pumps I used, I was only able to use it just at the bottom half. What I'm going to do now is that I am going to go in. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. So I haven't used any on my forehead, so I just put 1 pump. I'm trying to be economical with this. I do not like to waste foundation. It's best to build up rather than to have a lot and start to struggle or to waste it. Come on, this is like £38, so you don't want to be wasteful, even if it's not £38, but generally you don't want to be wasteful with your foundation application. So, and I like to be very careful towards my hairline so it doesn't leave that line going on there. So this is what we look like. I'm going to go in now with my blending sponge just to blend this into the skin to ensure that it is flawlessly applied. What do you guys think? Like I said, let me know in the comment section below. And another tip, ensure that when you're blending your foundation, you bring it down towards your neck, depending on how low your dress is. If you're going to wear like a dress that comes up a bit, you have to be very careful, otherwise you ensure you blend your foundation down to your neck, you know, and even towards your ears, so that you don't have that demarcation, and into your hairline as well. Just take your time, like I'm doing. So this actually feels lightweight. It is definitely buildable. I love me lightweight foundations that you can build, as opposed to the ones that are so thick that you struggle with sometimes. The thick ones have when they plain, but these lightweight ones, they're easy to play with, and especially if you don't have a lot of blemishes, say dark spots and all that, this would be very suitable for you. I feel like if you have a lot of blemishes, dark spots and all that, you need a lot more coverage. You need to color correct and do all those stuff before you get an even coverage. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. Now I'm done with my entire face. Let me read out some, you know, important information for you if you're considering getting this. Okay, so basically the benefits are you get 24 hours full coverage, 24 hours weightless feel as if skin is bare. Do I agree with that? Yes, I absolutely agree with that. 24 hours natural luminous matte makeup results. This is what my face looks like. Okay, so it's infused with hyaluronic acid for all day hydration, which is amazing. Hyaluronic acid is just one of my favorite you know, ingredients. And then the skin feels softer, smoother, and more hydrated. That I cannot really speak on because this is the second time I'm using this, but generally I like how the foundation feels on my skin. And then it's transfer proof, waterproof, sweat proof. That I cannot speak on yet because, well, I have worn this, like I said, I've worn this previously and it did last the entire day. I did not cry, I did not sweat, so I cannot speak on that as well. And then it has SPF 39 PA+++. That's amazing because, you know, having like the fact that it has sun protection, it protects us from the UV rays. It is super amazing. So if, for example, you don't have your regular SPF, this gives you that coverage. And the fact that it is above 30, because SPF 30 and above is highly recommended, broad spectrum SPF. So that's amazing. That's an amazing characteristics that this has. So what do you guys think? I love the look. I went for a dark brown look, which is something I normally won't go for. So that's it for this video. To be honest, I absolutely love this foundation, even though I felt the shade I selected was lighter than, you know, I would normally go for. That's it. If you're considering getting this, absolutely jump on it. I will highly recommend it. Yes, with all that being said, I've come to the end of today's video. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comment section below. If you've got any other suggestions, any other kinds of video you'd like to on my channel, absolutely let me know and I will do my best to, you know, do the videos or answer your questions. And with all that being said, I will catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.